Houston, we have a problem. What to do when you have a spicy crazy bird having way too much of a good time in the trash. You're not even supposed to be in the trash. Get out. But she won't let me pick her out. This is an old egg. That was gross, and it makes it look like she just had the biggest egg ever. Honey, this is not a nest. I know. No, don't touch. That's your poop, honey. That's your poop, silly face. All right, are you willing to step? Oh, good job. Oh, I was gonna try and find a way to. That's poop. Yeah, don't eat that. Gross. Gross. You're putting it everywhere. Thank you. Oh God, what are we gonna do?